Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Qi wireless charging because placement and coil alignment depend on that. Next, plug the charging pad into a stable 18W USB-C wall adapter and set the pad on a flat surface. This prevents wobble and improves contact. Once done, remove any bulky cases or metal plates. Thin cases are fine, since insulation reduces charge speed. Make sure to power the outlet and look for the pad's LED. That tells you it's ready and aligned. You now place the iPhone on the pad, face up, and gently shift it until the charging chime or animation appears. This shows the coils aligned and charging initiated. If the indicator is intermittent, slide the phone a few millimeters forward or backward. Small moves matter. Once charging begins, you can lock the phone. Modern iPhones manage heat and charging rate automatically. Make sure to avoid stacking objects under the pad, because uneven contact or metal will reduce efficiency and may trigger. You finish by monitoring that the battery icon increments steadily. Let it charge to around 80% for routine top-ups, since that minimizes wear over time. If the phone does not charge, first reposition it slightly. 5 to 10 millimeters often fixes misalignment. Then test the pad with another phone or swap the adapter and cable. Make sure to remove cards and magnets. If overheating occurs, stop charging, move the pad to a cooler spot, and wait 10 to 15 minutes before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.